The general rules for electrical mechanical timing devices according to NEC 110.26 state that they must be installed in a location that is accessible and not subjected to excessive moisture or mechanical damage. NEC 110.26b states that they must be installed so as not to obstruct access to other equipment or create a tripping hazard. NEC 110.26c requires secure mounting to avoid vibration or displacement. NEC 110.26d says installation must not interfere with the operation of any other equipment. Considering specific rules for timing devices installed around panel boxes, there is no specific requirement in the NEC that requires a minimum clearance of 6 feet from time clocks to panel boxes. However, certain factors may need to be considered, such as accessibility, which means the time clock must be accessible for maintenance or adjustment without the need to remove the panel cover or other equipment. Adequate space must be provided around the time clock to allow for proper operation and maintenance. The time clock must not be exposed to excessive heat from the panel box or other sources, as this could affect its accuracy or damage its components. While there is no specific code requirement for a minimum clearance of 6 feet from time clocks to panel boxes, it is essential to ensure that the installation meets the general requirements for electrical mechanical timing devices and does not compromise safety or functionality. Factors such as accessibility, space, and heat must be considered to determine the appropriate location and clearance.